Jim Starwalt here with another market update for the McHenry area 60050 as of the end of January 2025. Total listing count, homes on the market can be purchased, 142. New listings, 44 new ones came on the market. That's 6 more than last month, but that's January over December. Active listings, there's 79, 7 less than last month. So new listings are up. It's January. We're pretty stable. We saw some pretty surprising numbers, though, for homes that went under contract. A lot more coming on the market. Number of homes with price reductions, 22. 22 homes had to take their price down because they shot a little high. It's not time for that. This is going to be a very stable real estate market. If you're thinking of buying or selling, now is the time. Prices are not going to go up anymore. They're going to inch up slightly, if that. Interest rates are not going to go down significantly. If they do, you can refinance. We've got lenders that will refinance you at very little cost, next to nothing, to get you that better interest rate. 2% rates, 4%, those aren't going to happen again. 6 to 7 is historically average. So get out there, find your house. As I've said, price are stabilized. If you're looking to buy or sell, give us a call. I'm Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, right here on Route 120 in McHenry, Illinois.